Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in here I want to make a new tutorial, new project about find my age. So first we create a project. The name is find underscore my age. So my age underscore tutorial. After that you click next, and then this is find my age. So that just finish, and then you will go to the dashboard. I mean this one, the UI. Then you just change to Samsung Galaxy S9. After that, for the screen, just change the title bar. Wait, let me. Okay, so just change to find my age. Okay, after that, uh, you just go to the, oh yeah, don't forget the alignment horizontal into center, and then go to the layout general, and there is space. So for the space, the height is 6%, maybe 5%, yeah. After 5%, just go to the user story interface, and there is text box, and just put over there and rename it to text box input. After that, for the weight is 6%. No, for the week is 7. For the week is 80%. After that, again for the text box is uh, answer, or the hint is input something. Okay, after that you just copy this one and then put in down of this, and then next there is just put a button in here, and then for the color is it's kind of green, yeah, maybe, or blue, can be blue. And then after that, for the font size is 16 and font bold. After that, the text will be find your age. Okay, and don't forget to make it fill parent. No, fill parent, I think 80, and then maybe this is 20, and then yeah, after that, okay guys, so the next is maybe the height will be 6%. For that, for the this one, maybe you can change to calculate age. So after that, just copy this one, the space, and change it into 3 or 4, and after that you just put image, and for the height will be fill parent and fill parent. And next, for the picture, you just find like uh, just look for the picture that the picture like child, adult, and teenagers. So you just search in Google adult illustration, I mean, or child illustration, and there will be the illustration over here. So make sure there is no eyes and something like that, just find it, and then if you're done, we will go to the blocks. Okay, I already upload the image, and now we will go to the next is block code. So in here block code, the first is you go to the screen one, and then in screen one just find this when screen one initialize, and then do. Okay, I forgot something, so the next is you just go to designer, and then in here you go to the unit utilities. After that, take the decoration and put in the screen, and next go to the sensors. After that, put this, drag this one clock to this one. Okay, after that you can start. First go to the decoration one and check this one. After that, for the component, go to the text input and scroll down and take this one, and then go to colors. For color, just take these blue colors and then white colors. After that, go to the logic and false. Take false. Okay, this is for the first decoration block code. We will go to the second block code. It will be on. It will be on where on decoration again and take this one. Set pending component values. After that, take this text box input and put over here. And then after that, go to the maths and take this one and then type 10. Okay, this is for the first block code. That is when screen one initialize do, and yeah, I will do this thing, and then we will go to the second block code, and this second block code is a little bit complicated, so I will show you the example. So it will be like this. Yeah, it will be complicated. So let's try to make this one. So the first, you just go to the button calculate age. After that, take this one button calculate age and click do. After that, you go to the image age and take this one, the image age animation, change to picture, and then for the next one is the math. The maths will be here. After that, you take the next one is uh, clock. Yeah, the clock one. It will be wait. It will be so for the clock it will be where is it? Year about year this one the year instant, and then after that uh, wait guys, I'm a little bit forget. Okay, for the next one is take this one call clock one now. After that, go to the text box input and take this one text box input text. Okay, that's for the set image, and then we will take a variable in here. No, I mean control this one, and then for this one we will put like this and like this. So there will be three there will be three columns, yeah, columns, yeah, something like that, and then we will go to the next step. Okay, for the next one we will go first to the to the math, and then take this one and then change into this logo, that logo, and after that uh, maybe the other one, it will be big, yeah. So the next you just go to the logic, if I'm not wrong. Wait, I think it will be text box input, the text one, just take this one text, and then after that go to the math again, and it will be take this one and write it 2011, and next just copy this one and then move to this one and change this to into this, yeah. And then it will be 2004. Next we will need this one, and if I'm not wrong, yeah, just copy this and put over here, and then copy this and then put over there, and then change this to this, change this icon into this icon. Okay, for the next one, this will be inshallah will be easy. Yeah, we'll go. Next, go to the set image and then take this one and put over there and then change to picture and then go to the text and text it, take this one and for this one will be write child ng, yeah, child ng, if I'm not wrong in here, see child ng. And then next we just go to take the, where is it, dictionaries, close the door. You just need to find this one, the hide keyboard, text box input hide keyboard. Okay, so it will be text box input hide keyboard, this one, and then yeah, you just put under of this and then you can copy this one and put over there and change this to imagers ng. After that copy this one and put in the top of image picture, yeah, before in the down and then next in the top, and then you just copy again, put over there, and then for this one will be adult ng. The next copy this one and then put under this under the image picture and it will be text box and yeah, that's all for the tutorial. So this is the UI, like this. Yeah, you can edit, like maybe put something in the top or what, and then this is for the block code. Okay, maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.